Tonight, there is nothing you need to achieve. Sleep is not something you have to chase. It is something the body remembers how to do when it finally feels safe enough to let go. If sleep has felt difficult lately, there is nothing wrong with you. The human nervous system is very sensitive to pressure, and the more we try to force sleep, the more alert the body sometimes becomes. So for now, you are not trying to make sleep happen. You are simply allowing the body to become heavier, softer, quieter. Let the surface beneath you do most of the work of holding you. You do not need to hold yourself up right now, and in a moment we will begin a slow countdown, not as something to perform, not as something you have to follow perfectly, just as a gentle signal to the body that it can begin to power down. If you lose track of the numbers, that is completely fine. If you drift, that is exactly what this space is for. We begin gently. 10. Allow the muscles around your eyes to soften. There is nothing you need to watch, nothing you need to monitor. 9. Let your jaw unclench, even slightly. The tongue can rest heavily in the mouth. No effort needed. 8. Feel the shoulders drop a fraction lower into the surface beneath you. The body is already beginning to understand what is safe to release. 7. Let the breath move in its natural rhythm. You do not need to breathe deeply. You do not need to control anything. 6. Notice the weight of your arms, heavier than a few moments ago, more supported. 5. The body does not need to solve anything tonight. Whatever remains unfinished can wait until morning. Right now is only for rest. 4. Feel the chest and stomach soften on the exhale, as if the body is slowly turning the volume down on the day. 3. The nervous system is beginning to stand down. You may notice thoughts becoming a little more distant, a little less urgent. 2. Let the whole body be heavy now, as if gravity has increased slightly in the room. You are fully supported. 1. Nothing more to do, nowhere else to go. The body knows the rest of the way. And from here, you do not need to follow any more instructions. You can simply rest in the quiet. If sleep comes quickly, let it come. If it comes slowly, that is also perfectly okay. Your only job now is to remain comfortable enough for the body to drift when it is ready. Thoughts may still pass through. That is normal. They can move like distant clouds without needing your attention. The night is long enough. There is plenty of time for sleep to arrive. For now, just remain here, heavy, supported, quiet. And when the body is ready, sleep will come on its own. You do not have to force it. You never did. And as the body continues to grow heavier, something else begins to happen quietly in the background. Sleep is not simply the absence of waking. It is a different kind of intelligence taking the lead for a while. While you rest, the mind begins to sort what the day could not finish. Memories are gently organized. Emotions are slowly processed. The nervous system recalibrates itself in ways that are far too subtle to feel directly. There is a quiet wisdom in the sleeping state. The conscious mind steps back, and deeper systems begin their work. You do not have to supervise any of this. You never have. For thousands of nights before this one, Your body has known exactly how to descend into sleep, exactly how to repair, exactly how to restore balance. Even on nights that feel restless, something within you is still working gently toward rest. Many people notice that sleep has a strange, almost sacred quality. The boundary between thought and dream becomes softer. The busy surface of the mind grows quiet, and something deeper begins to move more freely. You may think of it simply as biology, or you may experience it as something more mysterious. Either way, the process is already unfolding. As you drift closer to sleep, the brain begins to shift its rhythm. Thoughts become less structured. Images may appear more loosely. Time itself can begin to feel less solid. This is the natural doorway into dreaming. There is nothing you need to do to enter it. No effort required, no special technique. Only enough safety for the body to let go. And you may notice now that letting go is becoming just a little easier. The surface of the mind does not need to stay sharp tonight. It does not need to keep watch. It does not need to solve the future. It can soften gradually, naturally, because the deeper parts of you already know the way. So for now, allow yourself to drift a little further. Let the body remain heavy and supported. Let the thoughts grow more distant if they wish. The night is doing what it has always done, quietly guiding the system toward rest. And as you continue to settle, sleep can arrive gently, in its own time, in its own way. You are safe enough to let go now, and the deeper intelligence within you is already taking it from here.